G'day, ready to ride Puffing Billy and discover the beautiful Yarra Ranges with us?
At Belgrave Station, your guide will bring you down to the platform. And of course, feel free to ask them for plenty of photos.
On board, take in incredible forest views of the beautiful Dandenong Ranges. Feel the fresh mountain air and hang your legs out the side of the carriage. One of the biggest highlights, crossing the iconic Trestle Bridge.
In Menzies Creek, you'll have time to explore the Puffing Billy Museum, discover historic locomotives, and learn more about the story behind this iconic railway. In Warburton, grab an Aussie classic for lunch, snap some photos at the historic water wheel, or wander across the iconic swinging bridge. Then, slow things down and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. After lunch, step into the magical Redwood Forest, where towering Californian Redwoods planted nearly a century ago rise high above the Yarra Ranges as sunlight filters softly through the canopy. Follow the peaceful sounds of Cement Creek, breathe in the cool forest air, and experience one of Victoria's most breathtaking hidden escapes.
In the Yarra Valley, enjoy a wine tasting or treat yourself to a delicious cannoli instead. Take in the beautiful rolling hills from the terrace and simply enjoy the moment. Then it is time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey back to Melbourne.
Join us on this unforgettable day. Go West Tours. Our people are the difference.